Question you can read, look here. The length of the rectangular garden is twice its breadth. If the area is 12.5 meters square, find the perimeter of the garden. It was the question, right? It was the question. And according to question, we have to do the solution like look here. Suppose breadth be x. If breadth suppose x, then length is twice, means what will be 2x. Yes, here is given area of rectangle is given that 12.5 meters square. Perimeter equals to what? We know area of rectangle is what? What is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is 12.5 meters square. Then area of rectangle is 12.5 meters square, right? Then area is 12.5 meters square. Then area, what is the formula of area? L into B. L we have suppose 2x and into breadth suppose x. And 2x into x it will be 2x square and 2 goes here to divide. You will get 6.25 when you divide 12.5 by 2. Then 6.25 is the square of 2.5 meter. Okay, whole square and x square cancel. Then x equals to 2.5. What is there? Meter. Here must be meter. Okay, here must be meter. Here must be meter. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
And after that, look there. Okay, now look this one, next one. After finding the value of x, now we have to put the breadth was x and 2.5, length was 2x and 2 into 2.5, it will be 5. And question was asking to find us perimeter. Then perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. That means L means 5, breadth means 2.5, and 5 plus 2.5 is 7.5. 7.5 into, yes, 7.5 into 2 is what? 15. That's why our perimeter has come at 15 centimeter.
15.
I hope you everybody have understood. Have you understood?
Sir, done. Sir, I am done.
Now can you explain again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again I am telling length is twice of breadth. That's why breadth suppose x and length will be what? Length will be 2x, breadth is x. Then use the formula of area. Area is given, that's why start from given. Then our value came that 2.5 meters square. We have to put both sides square. Then 2.5 meters square equals to x square. Square cancel. Then what is the value of x? X is 2.5. Breadth is 2.5 and length is 5. Then perimeter equals 2 into L plus B. Then put the value of length and breadth there. Then we will get 2 into 7.5. 2 into 7.5 means 15 centimeter. It is the answer. Okay, it was the answers I had explained. Okay, children.
Sir, how is it come? Sir, there
Okay,
is
sir.
15 meter, no?
This, yes, you are telling correct one. This all the unit must be in meter. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
This all the unit must be in meter.
Yes, sir.
This all the unit converted into meter. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Look, are you looking from there on or clear? Look, all the units should be converted into all the unit converted into meter. That okay? They must be in meter because in question that is given meter. Then what is the answer there? Can you tell what is the answer?
15 meter.
15 meter. Good.
Meter.
Because area was given in meter square, then all the values will come in meter. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
About this also you are clear. Are you clear about this question?
Can you again explain?
Okay, now I am moving to the, okay, here here we have used the formula of area. Okay, area equals L into B, that is only.
Yes, sir.
My new screen has been, shown or not there?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Now I am showing here the new
Now
screen. Look
shown.
here. Today's topic, okay, this is
Now
about
shown,
today's
sir.
one.
Sir, have you posted this in YouTube?
Okay, look here.
Not this chapter we should do in algebra copy.
Yes, it is the chapter of, it is the topic of algebra. Okay. Okay, children.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now today we are reading about equation. Just a minute, okay, my once. Today's one equation. Get ready to note down also.
Okay, sir. We have to accept that.
Here, look there.
We are studying new chapter now.
Yes. Solve the following equations. After solving, we have to check the answer also. We have to check answer ourselves. What is the method of checking answer? That is also I am going to explain here. Okay, children?
Sir, A plus
sir.
5 equals to 12.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Equation, no.
Yeah, equation. This is equation. There
Sir,
is
we
equal
can
to
do
sign.
12 minus 5 and get
Okay,
answer.
sir.
Look here.
Wait, okay. Sir, should we write this?
Yes, you have to write also.
Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, my line was cut, so I came late.
We were just talking about yesterday's assignment. Now only started.
Sir, this is the first slide.
Yes, yes. We were just talking about yesterday's assignment. We are discussing about that.
Okay, sir.
Or can you tell the process of doing this?
Sorry?
Sir, can you tell the process of doing this? A plus 5 equals to
Look here. Yes, I am going to,
12
I am
minus
Sir,
going,
I do a
I am
subtract.
going to teach that only. Look here. First of all, we have to write the question again. Okay. Question again. Now we should put the like terms one side. In this equation, there are two sides. One is left side and the right side. Look here. Left hand side and right hand side. right? And while solving the equation,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
we should put. Lakpa, are you understanding? When you solve this equation, we should put the like terms one side. What is the like term of 12?
5.
5.
5. Very good.
Five.
Then when
Eight equals
when plus 5 will go this side, it will be minus 5.
Sir, minus.
Minus
Minus
5.
sign.
If there is minus, if
12
there is
minus
minus,
5 is
look
equals
at,
to
5
if
is 7.
if there is minus, then it will be plus. If there is multiply, then there will be divide. If there is
Divide.
divide, then it will be multiplied here, other side.
like
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Plus changes into minus, minus change into plus, and multiply change into divide, and divide change into multiply. Good.
multiply
Then it will be like this. Okay.
12
12 minus 5.
eight.
After, what is the value of A? What is the value of A?
7.
7.
Seven.
Now,
Plus 5
after finding the value of A7, we have to check our answer is correct or not. We have to check. We have to show checking also compulsory. Checking also compulsorily we have to show.
Sir,
Yes. Yeah, we have to do
sir, I
checking.
have a question.
Yes, please, you can ask.
Sir, but if it doesn't ask to check, but also we have to check the answer.
Yes.
In the question, if it doesn't ask.
Yes, you are asking me very important question. When it is asked to check, then only we have to check. Okay. When it is asked to check, otherwise A equals to 7 is the answer. You have to write. Then substituting A equals to 7. Whatever answer comes, that we have to put in equation. In question only we have to put the value of A7. But while putting the value in equation, please don't change the side. Don't change the side. Left side do, right side only put. 12 equals to 12. Both sides came equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. If both sides comes equal, means it is true. If both sides comes equal, it is true. If it is true, then what is the answer? A equals to 7.
7.
A equals to 7 is the
Okay, I'm
answer.
ready.
If both sides is equal, then A equals 7 is the answer.
Sir,
Are you clear about this process? Are you clear
Yes, sir.
about
What
this
way to do
process?
I'm ready, sir.
I have given their classwork. Please do
Yes,
it.
sir.
I have given their classwork. Do it.
Sir, wait. Can you explain the
Do it. Do it and check also.
answer also of class.
Okay.
Sir, we need to copy this.
Okay, Lasik. Do. We have to solve and check the answer. Do like classwork.
Sir, we should show that correction also.
We have to check also.
Checking
Yes.
also.
Yes, we have to show.
Sir, can you explain the checking part?
In checking one, what was our answer? What was our answer?
7.
Before. A equals to 7, right? This A equals to
sir.
7. This A equals to 7, we have to put in question. What was our question? A plus 5 equals to 12. In place of A, we are putting the value of A7. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. Then 12 equals to 12. Both sides came equal. If both sides is same, then our answer is correct. A equals to 7 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Saksam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Our answer is B equals to C.
B is equals to 16 and sir, in correction I have problem.
Okay.
Sir, I'm confused.
Who told the answer? B
Excuse me,
equals
sir.
B equals to 16. Yes,
Sir,
please.
the answer 16.
Sir,
16 is the answer.
Yes, 16 is the answer. You are right. You are right.
16 is the answer, yes, sir.
2
Yes, sir.
numbers, 16 is the answer.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in checking also right.
In checking also you have to
B is
show.
equals to 16.
In checking both side must
10,
come
10
10,
is
10.
equals to 10.
In checking both side it must come
Yes, sir,
10
10
equals
is
to
equals
10.
to 10.
Sir,
Yes, please.
Sir, it is 16, yes.
sir, in this substituting second line, we should add or subtract which number? Sir,
Here,
like in one number there is 7 plus 5, 12.
in
Like that,
one
which
number they
number we
look
should
at
do?
7 plus 5, but here will be what
16
now?
minus
16 minus 6.
Minus 6 is
It will
equals
be
to
16
10.
minus 6.
Minus 6 is equals to 10.
60 minus 6. Are
60
you clear,
minus 6 is
children?
equals to 10.
Yes, sir, 16
Are you
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Yes, sir. It's so easy.
Right, sir.
So easy.
Okay.
Yes, sir, done.
Can I forward to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
sir, we need to copy this.
You can note down. You can note down.
Sir,
Okay,
already.
Sakshan?
Sir,
You
in
can note
which
down.
copy, like algebra copy, we need to note down.
Yes, you can note down in algebra copy also. This is the algebra only. Okay, we have to do in algebra copy. This is the one of the topic of algebra.
Sir, have you posted this video in YouTube?
Yes, already kept.
I think sir will post. Sir, already
Already
kept?
kept.
I
Yes.
didn't get notification.
Sir, I also didn't got the
There
notice.
is already in YouTube.
Okay, children.
I'll see after the class.
Now look there. Can I move to next one slide?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the sign? What is the sign between 3 and x?
Sir, multiply.
Multiply.
When 3
into.
go there, it will be divide. Then answer came x equals to 5. We have to check. Substitute x equals to 3 in 3x equals 15. 3 into 5 equals to 15. 15 equals 15. True. Then x equals to 5. And do the classwork. And do the classwork. For the classwork, this 3x should be brought on left side. Sachin, look on classwork. In classwork, we have to
Yes,
bring
sir.
this 3x. We have to bring this 3x on left side. It will be minus 3x then. 5x minus 3x.
Minus 3x.
5x minus 3x equals
Minus
8.
3x. 2x
Okay.
plus 8.
2x equals 8, then x equals 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4.
8 by 2.
And do this
Sir,
classwork
x
also.
remaining.
This classwork also.
No, x is 4x.
X is equals to minus 0.
X is equals to 4x. 4.
X equals to 4 will be the
Yes, sir.
answer. X equals to 4 will be the answer. You are right. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Should I move to the next slide?
Sir, I am just doing
Can you
3
again
numbers.
explain? Sir, can you
Sir,
explain? Sir, I was disconnected.
What is the sign between 3 and x? What is the sign between 3 and x?
15.
Multiply. When 3 goes another side, it will be divide. 15 divided by 3 means 5. Then check. While checking, put the value of x in equation. Okay. Then it comes
Sir,
15
can you
equals
explain
to
that
15.
classwork one?
Yeah, classwork only I am explaining also. Okay. After this also I'll explain that. X equals 5 is the answer. In classwork I told this 3x bring on right side. Sorry, from right side bring on left side. Okay. 5x minus 3x it will be. 5x minus 3x equals 8. Then it will be 2x. Subtract then 2x. 2x equals 8.
Sir, it
then
will
x.
be 2x. No, 5x minus 3x, it will be 2x.
Yes,
Not
I told that only. 5x minus 3x it will be 2x.
Yes, sorry.
3x equals 8. and x equals 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. 4 will be the answer and check.
Oh yes, sir. Understood. Understood.
Sir, can you tell once again, like slowly?
Second step, it will be 5x minus 3x
We
equals
need to
to
do
8.
checking.
We have to do checking also. And 2x, 5x minus 3x equals 2x, 2x equals 8, x equals 8 by 2,
5x
and x
minus
equals to 8 by 2 means what? 8 divided by 2 means 4.
2 plus 8. Or
Okay, Simrika?
2x.
Sir, answer will come for the x, therefore x is equals to 4.
You are absolute right. Checking
X
4.
equals to 8 divided by 2.
Hello, reason. Have you understood?
Therefore, x is equals to 4.
5, 3.
Checking,
Sir,
Reason are you doing or not?
checking subs.
sir, in this checking part, from which should we multiply or divide? I'm confused in that checking part.
Multiply,
Sorry,
multiply.
also no.
5 into
Sir, can you explain the classwork once
Sir,
again?
B number checking.
X is
Sir, B
equals
number. Sir, B
to
number 6 B minus 6. Sir, we get sir in checking.
checking, it will
Sir,
be look here. 5 into what? What was the
So can
answer
you
there?
again explain that classwork?
I am telling you. What was the answer? Can you tell in classwork? What was the answer?
Sir, 4.
Sir, 4. X is
Five,
equals to 4.
5 for the, 5 for the, 5 for the,
20.
and
20.
C for the
12.
12.
12. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8.
20.
Both, yeah, both side came
20.
20. 20 equals to 20. Both side came 20 equals to 20. Then our answer is correct.
Sir,
Sir,
5
how
into
it comes
20
20?
and 3 into
3 for the 12. 12
Sir,
plus
in
8.
solution one.
20.
Sir, in solution one.
3.
Solution. Solution we have to do 5x minus 3x. When plus 3x, when plus 3x goes on left side, it will be minus 3x.
3 into
Then 5x minus 3x will be 2x. 2x equals 8. Then x equals 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4.
3. 3 in
Okay, Rishi.
Classwork.
Okay, Rishi.
Checking
yes,
one.
sir, yes, sir, I got.
I didn't understand one. Checking one. Checking one.
equals to
5 into 4. 20.
4.
3 into 4. 12. 12 plus 8
Sir,
is 20. Both sides you have to do, okay?
sir, then
Don't
what
change.
is
20 equals 20 answer. Then answer equals to what? 5. X equals 5 is the answer. X equals 5 is the
sir?
answer.
You said 4, no?
Sorry?
You said 4.
Which one?
Yes, sir. You said. Sir,
Look
classwork.
there. Look there
But
one.
in that first part, you said it was 4.
Yeah. I
Then
told
how
this
it
previous one answer okay, like this. This one, previous one. X equals to 5. Like this we have to write answer. X equals to 5 written. Here also we have to write down what? X equals to 5. Okay? Like x equals to 5 we have to write answer here. What was the answer? 4. Then x equals to 4 is the answer here.
4.
Okay?
It's so confusing.
Let's do this.
Okay, sir. 7m plus
Checking.
3
While checking you have to put x
5
m value 6.
value 1.
Okay? So answer is m equals to 6.
Plus 3 equals to 45. Or 7m is equal 5 minus 3. 3. Or m is equals to 42 by 7. There
Sir, can you tell after 42 by 7?
The previous.
is equals
42 by 7. 42 by 7 means what?
42 got 6.
7 6 that.
6.
Then
Sir,
yes,
answer is
then substitute.
Sir, can
Yes,
you show the
perfect.
checking part?
M equals to 6 in equation put there.
So
And
can you show previous slide, sir? Because I forgot to screenshot.
okay, I will show you again. Okay, first of all, write down this.
But this checking we need to do like that 4 number, yeah?
Write it first.
6 in 7
7 6
and
the 42 plus 3
plus
is
3
45. Then 45 equals to 45.
or 7 to 6 plus 3 is
Then
equals to
answer is 6.
5
Good.
or
You understood or not this?
plus 30 is equals to 55.
You understood?
Get
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you just
Look there. I am showing again and again. I am showing there. You can see on the screen.
Sir,
I am
again
writing
checking
good.
part.
Yes, sir.
X is equals to what is the X then? Oh, M
Sir,
is
classwork.
equals to 6. Yes, sir. Finish.
Sir,
Next, sir.
classwork.
In classwork,
Sir, classwork. So the class.
please don't do the annotation. Don't do the annotation, eh? And look here. Gy by 5 minus 4. First of all, take minus 4 another side.
Classwork. Pi 3y by 5 minus 4.
Okay.
Okay.
Minus 4 goes there, it
Sir,
will be.
can you explain that
Then
classwork?
tell again.
I am telling. Minus 4 goes this side, will be plus 4. 9 will be 5 plus 4, 9. Next, third step. 5 goes another side to multiply with 9. 9 into 5, it will be 45.
4 is equals to 5.
9 into 5, it will be 45. Then 3 goes another side to divide. 45 will divide by 3. Then y value will come 15.
Plus 9.
Y value will come
Yeah.
15.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, could you tell that 3y by 5 is equals to 9? After that, 3y by 5 is equals
It's
to
equals to
9.
9 into 5. This 5 goes there to multiply.
Sir,
9,
3y
Sir,
is equals
then
to
after we need to write.
yeah,
Sir,
9
then
into 5.
after we need to write or 3y
Yeah,
is equals to 45 and or
in
y
every line,
equals to
in every
45
line, write
divided by
or.
3.
And then after write like there, 45, 45, look here, there will be
Sir,
45, 45, and 45, 45 will be divided by what? 45 will be divided by 3,
3.
right?
3.
45 will be divided by 3.
45 by 3, 3.
oh yes. No.
And 45 by divided by 3, then it will be
R
15.
is equals to 9 into
15.
5.
Sir, y value 15.
5 2. Oh shit.
Minus 4 goes here to add with 5. 9 it will be. 5 plus 4, 9. And 9 will multiply with 5. Next step, 45. And 45 will divide by 3, it will come 15.
15.
It will come 15.
15
Okay, children?
divided by 5
Yes, sir.
The slide of
Sir.
classwork.
Sir, but how to check?
is to 45.
Yes, sir. Taking part I
In,
will
look at,
add.
wait. I'm telling you, don't worry. 3 into
45 divided by 5. 20.
3 into what will be there?
3
What?
into
In
4.
checking. What was your answer?
Sir, 15.
15.
15.
15.
15.
Yeah, 3 into 15 means 45. 45 divided by 5 means 9. 9 minus 4 means 5. Your left side will come 5. Right side also 5.
Sir,
Left
3
side
into
is,
How?
15.
left side is
After
5. Right side is 5. Look here. 3 into 15 means what? 45. 45 by 5 means what? 45 by 5 means what?
5 times 9.
9. 9.
9.
9. 9 minus 4,
5.
5.
5.
5 equals to 5 came or not?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir,
our
in second
answer
part,
came.
sir, in second part, what to do?
And
In second
this is
part,
your,
what to
this
do?
is your, this is your answer.
Five.
And you have to show this
Okay,
assignment.
sir. Okay.
Now do assignment. This
Okay,
assignment
sir.
and
5.
sir,
Sir, can you
just
show that
the
previous
part of
slide
that
1? Sir,
number?
that classwork. The classwork.
So 6 number.
Okay.
Collection part. After that 3 to 15, 5 second part.
Okay, now bye bye children. It's time over.
Sir, can you